Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and the DNS addresses you want to use. Write them down. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then click Change Adapter Options to see your network adapters. You should right-click the active adapter and choose Properties. This gives you the interface to alter TCP/IP4 or TCP/IP6. Make sure to take note of the original settings so you can revert. This avoids downtime if the new DNS causes issues. You now pick IP4 or IP6 in the Adapter Properties panel and click Properties again to edit. Use the following DNS server addresses and type the preferred DNS, then the alternate, separate addresses clearly. Once entered, click Advanced only if you must add extra servers or specify DNS suffixes. This is for multi-network setups. After OK, flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtons in command. Prompt to apply changes immediately and ensure your Acer queries the new servers. You finish by verifying DNS works. Run nslookup or ping a domain and load websites. Make sure names resolve to IPs. If it fails, revert to the original settings or try another public DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 and test again. If problems persist, check for interfering VPNs, firewall rules, or outdated network drivers on your Acer. One key troubleshooting tip: disable third-party security temporarily to isolate whether software is blocking DNS traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.